Okay, there's actually two ways to solve this problem, at least two that I can think of. One way is to use the technique that you're using right here, and that's to find the equation of the line that's perpendicular to the original line and passes through 2, -1. Because the distance from 2, -1 to the red line will be along the perpendicular. So if we could find the point of intersection of these two lines, that's how you proceed. And since both of these equations equal y, we just have to use substitution. -2/3 x minus 7, oh no, I'm sorry, it's plus 2/3 x, minus 7/3. For what value of x does that equal -3/2 x plus 3? Now I would clear the equation of fractions at this point by multiplying every term on both sides of the equation by 6, which is the least common denominator of all the denominators. And 6 times this first term gives me 4x. 6 times the -7/3 gives me -14. 6 times the -3/2 x gives me -9x. And 6 times the 3 gives me 18. So add 9x to both sides, add 14 to both sides, and x equals 32/13. Substitute that value in for x in either of these two equations and solve for y. And I think you'll see that you get -9/13. Okay. And that's probably the most straightforward way to solve this. But another way to do it is to realize that the coordinates of any point on this red line can be represented by x comma -3/2 x plus 3, just like you solved here. And now, if we could write a formula for the distance between these 2 points, find the derivative, set it equal to 0, we'd have the critical numbers for that distance function, the objective function, and see if the critical number gives us a minimum. So I'll just get you started there. You could do this. The distance between any point on the red line to the point 2, -1 is the change in x squared plus the change in y squared, the distance formula. So it's this x, or that y, -3/2 x plus 3 minus a -1 would be plus 4. There's the change in y squared. So if we could find the derivative of d with respect to x, that would give us our critical numbers. And it turns out you get the same answer, 32/13 -9/13. So I'm not going to take us through that solution, but there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.